Hello, and welcome to a brief tutorial on the Area of Interest tool in WipFrag 4. Firstly, I will demonstrate how to use this tool on an orthomosaic image. The process to set an area of interest is the same for any image. To get started, we'll need to open an image. After the image has loaded, we can set the area of interest. Tap on any point with a plus icon to create new points. Tap and hold to move the points around to create the area of interest. You can double tap on a point to remove it. After setting the area of interest, we can complete the rest of the image to get the results. To complete the analysis, we must generate the net. We can use the editing tools to correct the net as needed. We can generate the results once finished editing to complete the analysis. Thank you for watching.